So welcome to the video, and today I'm going to show you how to weight reduce the Pulsar V2 Mini. This comes in at stock 56 grams and we're going to get it below 50 grams. There's two versions of this mod. There's a non-destructive one where you can put it back to stock, and then there's a permanent destructive one where we're going to chop it up and obviously you won't be able to put it back to stock. So you're also going to need to be able to take this mouse apart in a teardown. I've done a full version of that already. I'll put a link in the description, so let's get on with it. So it's time to make the Pulsar V2 Mini lighter. Another cat join us. Let's see what we can get it down to. I'm hoping like way below 50, like 45s would be nice, somewhere around there. One 50mAh battery and the 300. You're gonna have to take the cable off or find one with a longer cable. Basically, stock. You're gonna need a multimeter to see which is positive, I think. I think we could just plug this in. Wish me luck. Hey. Okay. 51 grams. Okay. Not bad. So now we're going to do more of a destructive mod. We're going to take out this bar for a start. Be careful around here anyway, because you've got all the side buttons, remember? So, unless you don't want the side buttons, but I do. A little bit out of it. Given how optimised this is, you have to remember that this is a pretty optimised mouse. Let me get what this bit is. I'm going to leave some of this bar in though, because that's probably stopping it from being pushed into the top of the mouse a bit. So they've had these little raised bits. These are more raised, a bit weird. I'm assuming it's to try and stop it pushing against the shell, but if I took away that, so it doesn't matter. I'll try to reinforce it that way. Okay, I'll come back for that bit in a minute. Definitely want to take out some of that rib padding where they're putting it. There's a risky one. These bits are definitely coming out for me. Like, side buttons from dropping out. Okay, noted. Let me take all this out as well. I think I was going to mount the battery back in the center on this one for this one, but you can probably mount it further forward, but it's up to you preference wise. Let's get the drum back on the back of here. So that allows us to take this bit out basically. Still have somewhere to try and counter the weight if it's too forward heavy. Drum was too aggressive. The alpha was better for slower stuff. I decided I'm not using the mounting points in the rear, so I've thinned it out a little bit more. You're going to still mount the PCB. You can still do it actually, it's still there. Still screw holes, still there. Just a little bit trimmed down. Alright, so let's give these parts a weight and then let's put this bad boy back together. Battery placement is going to be up to you. I'm just going to put mine in the middle, but you could definitely move it around a bit more still. As far back as I can. There we go. The modded Pulsar V2 Mini. Pretty stock, to be honest. Definitely gonna need some new skates. You ready for the weight? 49 grams. Not bad though with the side buttons.